So let's just talk about the queue data structure. So the queue is a linear data structure that follows the FIFO or the first in first out principle. So that means in a queue data structure, the element that is added first will be the element to be removed first. So like an example, bunch of people standing in a line. So we have the person 1, we have the person 2, we have the person 3, we have the person 4. So this is the front of the line and this is the rear or the back of the line. And all of these people are standing in the queue to have a job done. So here the first in first out principle is used because the person 1 joined the line first, so the person will leave the line first. And suppose a new person wanted to join this line for this particular job, so he has to join at the back of the line. So here we have the person 5, so the person 5 will join the line at the back of the queue. So when this person joins the line at the back of the queue, this is called the end queue. And whenever the person leaves the queue, so suppose the person 1's job is done, so it will leave the queue. So whenever this person leaves the queue, that is called DQ. So this way new person will join the line from the back of the queue, and after their job is done, the person will leave the line or leave the queue from the front of the queue. Queue has the NQ and the DQ operation. Now there are ways to implement the queue. Either we can use the array to implement the queue, or we can use the linked list to implement this queue. And also there we have multiple types of queue. So firstly we have the circular queue, secondly we have the priority queue, and thirdly we have the DQ. So these are the characteristics of the queue. So the queue follows the first in first out principle. It has two ends. It has the front end, it has the rear or the back end. Now whenever new elements added to the queue, we call this NQ. Whenever old elements remove the queue, then we call this DQ operation. And we can implement the queue, either we can use the array or we can use the linked list. And these are the types of queue that we have. So in the next video we're gonna see how we can implement different types of operations of the queue. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.